Hello everyone, welcome to the weekend market analysis. Today 31st May, Nifty ends this week at 24,750 and Bank Nifty at 55,750. See, in our previous video, during our midweek market update, we have discussed a lot the reason, the logic behind the current move, right? And for the Thursday and Friday, there is no much price action in the Nifty. It went sideways, and in Bank Nifty, it took support from our trend line. So this is a exact level we discussed. Since the both Nifty and Bank Nifty are behaving as per expectation or still in our expected zone, there is no change in view. So as of now, same idea. This zone can be the support, and you can watch this trend line as the indicator. Okay, and even if the price declines slightly, we can check 24,665. Already the price has been reached, and even the price comes lower, we can expect 24,580 approximately. Okay, and only below this A point around 24,450, then only we can or we should think about the start of the C which we are expecting. Okay, we are still in the part of decline ABC, and this all are part of corrective pattern because it is not impulsive. That's the logic behind the analysis. And yes, same view. If the price takes support, the price can move higher. Okay, and for more upside, the levels which we marked here, the price needs to cross above the previous high of approximately 25,116. Okay, the previous high should be crossed, and if the price gives a breakout, we can expect 25, 267, 310, 366, all the levels we discussed, the same levels and not change anything. So broadly, we can expect between 25, 250 to 25, 360 zone. And this B wave, okay, all these are based on the expectation of the B rise and C down. And if the price closes above 25, 366 or 370, approximately that zone in the speed nature, we need to think about this B option. Okay, mostly over 99% of times the B will not move above this line. Okay, very rare situation it can move to 25, 500 also. That is rare. We should not consider now. So as per the usual movement, the B will not move above 25,370. So if the price moves above 25,370, we can alter the count. So the primary view is as per the previous video, not changed anything. And the current price action, as of now, the chart is not taking the impulsive corrective structure. So it can take another A, B, C move to reach the B point. Okay, the B point can end anywhere. So we need to watch the previous high and other highs. Okay, so this is the basic primary view. And if the price does not take support and moves below the A point, okay, only below the A point with the speed nature, we can assume C already started. So this is the update on Nifty, and yes, Bank Nifty exactly price took support and moved around 600, 700 points from our level. Okay, we draw the same line, and even Nifty also took support, right? Took support and moved higher, but still moving there and not made a new low. So hopefully, yes, the price can take support as per the structure. And Nifty is already, Bank Nifty is already moving higher. And this is an expectation only. See, if you mark this previous high, both points are aligning together around 56,100. So let us check how the price reacts here. Okay, only crossing this 56,100 with speed nature, we can expect the further highs of 56,700 or even 57,300, which we discussed in our previous videos. But as of now, it is not impulsive on higher side also. Okay, see, both Nifty and Bank Nifty not creating impulsive price actions. That's why you are seeing a sideways price action for 1 or 2 weeks. Okay, all are corrective structures only. So in that angle, we are discussing all these options. One more high, and even Bank Nifty goes one more high, you need to check this level 5600 around these levels, and if the price rejects, it can be end of this wave 5 or some part of corrective price action A, B, C. Okay, so this level will decide the further clue. Okay, so 5600 levels are important in Bank Nifty, And even the price can move like this, okay, take some time, another a few subways, and it may fall down. So only above this trend line with the speed nature, it will invalidate this diagonal, and higher highs are, more highs are possible, like 56,700. Got it? So we need to check the 5600 levels and then we can decide. And if the price comes below this point, as already said, the decline has already started. It can be A, B, C. A, B, and C. So these are the deciding factors. So this is the view on Nifty and Bank Nifty. And I will show one example in natural gas. I don't know, in previously we have noticed this kind of analysis anywhere. Okay, see, in natural gas, okay, while discussing in previous week, we discussed that even though if the price moves higher, we need to check 3.8341. Okay, see the levels are marked and discussed on 24th May, and expected the price to come lower to 3.3141, and the price as per expectation moved higher. And if you notice, just check where it got rejected. Expected stop at 3.8341, okay, the same level 3.8341, and this I took on May 28th, and actual stop at 3.8340, okay, 0.0001 difference. See, these kind of analysis and expectations about the future price actions can be done with the help of Elliottwaves. See, I'm not saying that we can get uh, every time the precise levels. That is not possible. No one can do that. That's why if you watch my videos, I always have two levels. If we are expecting a support, I will mark two levels. A zone, okay? If resistance, a zone. But in this case, we expected approximately 3.8341, but in reality, the price exactly stopped at 3.8340. These are not random lines. I have shown multiple times the exact reversals, okay? But this time, I don't know whether we can do it again, but this is one of a kind analysis. We did 0.001 difference, okay? So exact rejection in natural gas. So if you want to learn these kind of analysis to understand what may happen in the future, only above this line we expected more high points, or else the price should reject down. Okay, so in this case you will not buy here. If you're not even sure, that is okay, but you will not buy here. Okay, that's the important analysis we are getting here. Fine. So if you want to learn these kind of analysis, you should learn Elliottwaves, and learning just theory won't help us. So if you wish, you can learn my course, Waves Leads the Price, 100% practical with 400 plus charts as a example. And with regard to the technical analysis course, yes, today is the last day for discount, but I'll be releasing this video mostly Saturday night around 8, 9. So there will not be any sufficient time. So if you watch the video on Sunday, so use this Sunday. So Sunday is the last day for discount. From Monday, the price will be revised. The discount is valid only for one day. Okay. So I give all details in the description. So let us move on to the commodities next. So crude oil, see in crude oils also, so when you see an overall commodities picture, crude oil, silver, gold, everything moved sideways only. We even expected gold and silver to be move sideways, and crude oil entirely moving sideways. Only natural gas gave a sharp move, approximately 4 to 5%. The same level of analysis we discussed, and this one, see, on 17th May, we're expecting 60.20, and still now the 60.20, it's the level where the price is taking support. So if the price takes support here, see, initially I expected that if the price takes support here, okay, ABC, and the price can reach 65. Yes, the same analysis now. But if the price takes support, or in the worst case, if the price comes here $59 and takes support, we can expect more than 65. There is a possibility of price may move higher side above 65. So let us see the same level. The price is at support zone only, and even you can mark some trend line here to assist us. Okay, So this can provide a support, and worst case this is the level. But if these levels not support, as I said, it can become a triangle or total sideways price action here like this. Okay, so to avoid that, the price needs to take support here, and the price needs to break above this point and move higher, or else it can become an A, B, C, D, E, or some sort of consolidation. So this is the expectation in crude oil currently at support. Some 60 to 59 could be the important support, and it should move higher. Okay, the initially we can expect 65, and crossing above that we can expect much more highs in the crude oil. And natural gas, as we discussed, exactly the price rejected. Once again I will show the chart. Okay, 3.8341, exactly 3.8340, and the price rejected, and we expected price to go to 3.3141. And yes, the price can still move lower, maybe after some bounce. Okay, some consolidation. Yes, some consolidation is possible, some sort of consolidation or kind of move if it comes, bounce, and then the price may start move lower. So the expectation is the price can reach one more time to the previous low of 3.37 to 3.31. So this is the update on natural gas. And if the price goes lower below this point 3.08, then we already discussed the price can even go to the what is these levels, approximately 2.93 to even 2.64. So all these levels we discussed. Even if you check a couple of weeks before, we discussed a lot of things in the natural gas. So the expectation is this, still the price can make some lows in natural gas. Now gold, see the same channel. Even if you remember, when the price moves here, I said that gold is going to be consolidate here. Okay, and right from April 22 and June, okay, almost 1.5 months, the price still in a range of consolidation only. Even in the previous weekend video, when the price is here, I said that the price needs to minimum cross this zone, and primarily the price can consolidate, but I said the price can move to this low. As of now, it's taking support, but slightly went lower. So the gold also moved as per expectation, consolidates or making some pause here. So now the price needs to minimum come out of this channel and to cross this level 3366, and only we can expect other levels. And if the price declines, you need to watch these two levels 3252, 3232. So in this case, the price can take support and move higher. So these are the important support, and for more highs, the price needs to come out of the channel and this level for further highs. And we have discussed the high points in the gold. When we combine the gold and also with the silver, see in silver also, while discussing the gold, I said this one pullback. Okay, some consolidation is required. See in this case, just check this chart. See, by seeing this chart itself, we discussed that one more low is pending. Okay, and that means pause here. See the pause here, and the price moves still in a range, and you can draw this line, and the price needs to take support in this range. Okay, and same like gold, the price needs to take support and move higher, and silver also needs to take support and move higher, and crossing this 33.66 previous high, you can check in your chart, we can expect 34.5 to 34.8. The point is, see, by simply checking at this chart, by seeing the nature and seeing the internals, you can expect what may happen in the future. Simple. See, Elliottwave is very simple. Many are learning the Elliottwaves in more complicated way. Yes, there are some conditions for each and every wave, certain fib numbers, but if you look at all these conditions, you cannot take a decision, right? So what is important? The nature, fib level, and the pattern. That's all. Make it very simple. If you go like this, Elliottwave will become simple, and it will show effects in your trading and analysis. So if you want to learn this wonderful study Elliottwave, you can register my course. I give all details in the description. And if you wish to learn the technical analysis course, as I said, if you follow my checklist, if you follow my guidelines, whichever I taught in the course, you can recover the course fee in a single trade, right? And yes, this is the update for this weekend. The levels and opinions shared in this video are not any kind of recommendations. Don't take it as any buy or sell recommendations. You analyze for yourself and take decision. So thank you. Trade safe. Always capital protection is important. Take care. We'll meet you in the midweek market update. Bye.